When developing our applications and deploying, a lot of times we can get ourselves into situations where everything seems to be working great, but once we finish up a feature and then deploy it, we get some kind of problem. So in this example, our application is working as expected, it's deployed with a fully qualified domain name, and then we are going to release another feature using Kamal. The deployment should go through without any problems, and our application should be up and running, but when we go back and refresh the page, we then get an error. So the feature that we deployed introduced a bug that we weren't expecting. So if you've ever been in this situation at this point, you'd start panicking. But luckily, there's a feature where we are then able to roll back the changes very quickly without changing the code, so we can then refresh and then our application is up and running again. And so in this episode, we're going to be looking at how we can perform this rollback, some nuances with it, and some general things to be aware of. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.